In this video, I will show you how to install a universal LED tailgate light bar on your truck. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. First, we want to clean the area under the tailgate thoroughly with some soapy water, then wipe dry. Now peel off the adhesive backing on your light bar. Now we can attach your LED light bar under the truck's tailgate. Press it firmly against the truck to ensure proper adhesion. Next, let's remove two Phillips head screws holding the tail light onto your truck. Remove the tail light and find the reverse light socket behind your tail light. Now that we have located the reverse light socket, we can now connect the white wire from the LED light bar to the reverse light power wire using a quick connector. Go ahead and replace the tail light back onto your truck. Find the 4-way trailer light connector on your truck. Then connect it to the corresponding connector on your LED light bar. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.